So, you've spent the last 2 hours getting your makeup just right. The wig is sitting perfectly, and you finally feel like the most authentic version of yourself. But then you look at your car keys and realize you actually have to get from point A to point B. It's a nerve-wracking moment, isn't it? Whether it's your first time driving Femme or your 100th, there's this unique mix of pure adrenaline and, let's be honest, a little bit of, oh my gosh, what if I stall the car or get a flat tire? Honestly, we've all been there. Welcome back to My Life, My Rules, and today, we're talking about something that doesn't get nearly enough attention in our community: the practical, real-world logistics of driving while presenting as your feminine self. Listen, I know the feeling. You're finally ready to head out to a club, a support group, or maybe just a late-night drive to clear your head, and suddenly the car feels different. The seat belt sits differently across your chest. Your heels make the floor mat feel like a foreign planet, and you're hyper-aware of every single person in the cars around you. It's a lot to take in. But here's the thing, your safety and your confidence are the most important things on that road. We want you to feel empowered, not stressed. So, let's just sit down, buckle up, and chat about how to make sure your journey is as smooth as your legs after a fresh shave. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the footwell: the shoes. We need to have a serious heart-to-heart about heels and pedals. I get it. Those 4-inch stilettos complete the look, and they make your legs look incredible. But girl, trying to navigate a sensitive brake pedal or a heavy clutch in a stiletto is basically like trying to perform surgery with chopsticks. It's risky. The angle of your foot is completely changed, and you lose that crucial pedal feel that tells your brain exactly how much pressure you're applying. You don't want to be that person who accidentally floorboards it at a red light because your heel got caught in the carpet. Here is my golden rule for the road: the driving flat transition. Keep a pair of cute, thin-soled flats, or even just some simple sneakers in the passenger footwell. Drive in those. They give you the tactile feedback you need to stay safe. Then, when you arrive at your destination, you do the glamorous reveal. You swap the flats for the heels before you step out of the car. It's like a mini transformation right there in the driver's seat. Not only is it safer, but it also saves your heels from getting scuffed up by the floor mats. If you absolutely must drive in your heels, please at least stick to wedges or blocks. They offer more surface area and stability, but honestly, just keep the flats handy. Your car and your peace of mind will thank you. Now, let's talk about visibility, because this is where things get a bit technical, but very important. When you're wearing a wig, especially one with a lot of volume or long bangs, your peripheral vision can take a hit. You might not realize it until you go to check your blind spot and realize all you can see is a wall of synthetic fiber. Before you even put the car in gear, do a visibility check.
Turn your head side to side.
Can you see your side mirrors clearly? Is the hair falling into your eyes every time you lean forward? If it is, use a couple of discreet bobby pins or a cute headband to keep those strands back while you're in motion. You can always let the hair down once you've parked. And then there's the mirror shock factor. You know what I'm talking about. You glance in the rear-view mirror to check traffic, and for a split second, you see this stunning woman looking back at you, and it catches you off guard. It's a beautiful thing, but on the highway, we need your eyes on the road. Also, remember that your physical silhouette in the car might be different if you're using breast forms or padding. Adjust your mirrors after you're fully dressed and seated. What worked for you in drab or masculine presentation might not work now because your posture and the way you sit in the seat have shifted. Make sure those mirrors are angled perfectly for your feminine silhouette, so you don't have to strain or lean awkwardly to see what's behind you. Let's talk a little bit about the fishbowl feeling. When we're out en femme, it's natural to feel like everyone is staring. Usually they aren't. Most people are too busy screaming at their GPS or drinking coffee, but that feeling of being watched can make you drive tensely. When you're tense, you make mistakes. Try to relax your shoulders. If it helps, tinted windows are a girl's best friend. They give you that little extra layer of privacy and armor between you and the outside world. But even without tint, remember that your car is your private space. You have every right to be there, looking exactly how you want to be. Speaking of being seen, let's chat about the what-ifs. What if you get pulled over? What if you have a breakdown? It's the stuff of nightmares for many crossdressers, but preparation kills fear. Honestly, most police officers and roadside assistance workers have seen it all. They just want to do their jobs. However, to keep things low stress, make sure your ID and insurance are in a super accessible place. You don't want to be fumbling through a purse you're not used to carrying while you're already nervous. If your ID shows a different gender presentation than how you look in the moment, don't panic. Just be polite, be calm, and remember your rights. You aren't doing anything illegal by being yourself. If you're worried about safety in a breakdown, keep a safety kit in the trunk, a warm jacket, a flashlight, and maybe even a spare set of more neutral clothes if you feel you'd be safer changing in an emergency. But honestly, most of the time, the world is much kinder than the monsters we build up in our heads. I want to take a second to just validate how brave you are for even doing this. Driving en Femme is a huge milestone. It's that bridge between the private world of your bedroom and the public world of the real life. It's a declaration that says, I am here and I'm moving through the world on my own terms. That is powerful. Whether you're just driving around the block at midnight to test the waters or you're commuting to a full day out, you are reclaiming your right to space. Don't let the fear of a red light or a gas station stop take that away from you. Here's a little pro tip for the gas station, by the way. If you're feeling nervous about getting out to pump gas, try to find the stations that are well lit and busy, or better yet, stations where you can pay at the pump. It minimizes the interaction if you're having a low confidence day. But you know what? Most of the time, if you walk with your head high and act like you belong there, because you do, people just go about their business. Confidence is the best camouflage, but it's also the best accessory. Before I let you go, let's recap the essentials for your next trip. 1. Prioritize those pedals. Wear flats for the drive and save the heels for the grand entrance. 2. Check your wig and your mirrors. Make sure your peripheral vision is clear and your mirrors are adjusted for your silhouette. 3. Be prepared. Have your documents ready and a little emergency kit just in case. And 4. Breathe. You're doing something amazing for yourself. I really want to hear from you all on this one. Do you have a driving shoe of choice? Or maybe you have a funny story about the first time you took the wheel as your feminine self. Let's talk about it in the comments. Your experiences help other people in the community feel less alone and more prepared for their own journeys. If this video gave you a little boost of confidence or a practical tip you hadn't thought of, please hit that subscribe button and join our My Life, My Rules family. We're all about celebrating the journey, 1 mile at a time. And hey, if you're looking for more tips on navigating the world en Femme, definitely check out our last video on public styling. Remember, the road is yours, the rules are yours, and you are absolutely stunning. Drive safe, be bold, and I will see you in the next one. Stay beautiful, everyone. Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.